Hey guys, welcome to my channel. We're at the Frank M. Charles Memorial Park, and this is actually part of the Gateway National Recreation Area, which is actually a national park and is made up of some smaller parks. And believe it or not, we're in Queens, New York City. The time now is around 10:30 a.m. The temperature is 55 right now. The high will be 65. And today's Saturday, October 23rd. Yeah, so Gateway National Park is like I guess a network of smaller parks in Queens and Brooklyn, as far as I know. Queens, New York City, and Brooklyn, New York City. So they do have some handball courts and some basketball courts. Right here.
And then Nora with all her alarms. So real. Oh my God.
So there's like a tiny, I don't know what you call this, like a tiny little beach happening. It's actually bigger over there, but you know. So there's some people's houses. And you know, it has a boat dock on both sides. So that's awesome, man. That's pretty cool actually. And there's a train. See if I can zoom in. There's a train actually on the train bridge. Yeah, so that's pretty cool. There's some kids playing tennis. And it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I think it's 5 tennis courts. Yeah. It's 10:30, so this is not the you know, sunrise, sunset kind of sun. It's 10:30 a.m. ish. But it looks cool anyway, right? Let's see if I can. So I made it onto the beach, if you can call it that, you know. It's really long this way, you know. And I guess in high tide, the water comes up to the rocks. Oh. So you can see the kids better. They don't have like a dark netting over this way for the tennis courts. Try the grass here. Ooh, okay, made it. Yeah, trying to walk on the grassy part, but the grass isn't level. You know, the ground isn't level. Oh, by the way, guys, welcome to my channel. If I didn't say that already, please like, share, subscribe, and comment, and hit that post notification bell. You know, on the channel, right, guys, we're used to going to trails that are secluded. So this isn't really, you know, this is par for the course, par for the course for us. So. And there's a sign here. No fishing. No shell fishing, to be exact. So they've got a little path here to the water. They've got some tiny birds. You know, if you're into birding, guys, like Bayswater Park, the trail at Bayswater Park, right? It's on the channel. If you're into birding, right, guys? This could possibly be, you know, scope it out. Come check it out, man. Be a spot for you. There's I'm not gonna show it. There's a dead seagull. I'm not gonna show it, guys. In the brush. So we've come to like another beachy kind of area. Once again, reminds me of Bayswater Park, the park proper tour that we did. And at the end, we found like a little pirate cove. Isn't that sun cool? That's picking up on camera. You know? It was raining previously, so I had to wait in the car for like 10 minutes. And this is, I guess, what happens when the rain ended. So the ground here is much more level, guys. So, I'm going my normal camera pace. Oh yeah, there's tons of little birds here, guys. Yeah. These are not pigeons. Okay, guys? Yeah, they're all in there. Oh yeah. I think this park opens from 10 a.m. and closes at 10 p.m. Or if a sign says opens from dawn to dusk, something like that. Whichever one comes earlier. Whichever time comes earlier, you have to adhere to. Just switch hands here, guys. This park allows no swimming, I believe. So, although it has a beach, sort of like a beach, don't swim in it, That's the train bridge that we saw maybe 15 minutes ago in the video. And something over there that looks like an airport. There's like a tower. There's a flock of, let me try to do this, guys. There's a flock of things flying. I don't know what it is. And I'm guessing it's in frame. Because I just see gray at the back of the display. So I guessed it was in the frame. I apologize if it's not. So the water's pretty calm, It's no, although there's a little sprinkle just now. It seemed pretty okay, and the ground is firmer here. I think this is a mix of sand and dirt, mostly sand. Yeah, man, there's like small little birds flying. You come with your little tripod. You guys into birding, right? So you have your camera stable. So those shots are blurry, right? And you camp out every 5-10 minutes. You move and you see which spot is good, So although it's 55, I just have a sweater on. So there's guys, there's another opening here. Remember we saw this similar roundabout thing they did at Bayswater Park Trail? When we were in between the first trail and the second trail. So it's a similar design, but there's no trails here. Let's see if this is a trail. Hold on. No, this is not a trail, guys. So it's just this. And you know, you come with your tripod, or even if you're not into birding, you come check out the birds, man. You know? When the little birds fly, right? It looks so cool, man. And then you got like 3 or 4 of them flying at the same time. And they fly really fast because they're so small. If you blink, you'll miss it, you know? So every now and then they have little benches with tables. And, you know, things like that. So this is a big open outfield. I think it's for baseball. Within the fence. I see a cage at the back over there. Yeah. No swimming and no shellfishing. Again, some guy on his bike is revving it up. I think he missed the shift. Yeah, I hope that was caught on camera because a bird just flew. See, all these birds are flying here, guys. Like there's a guy with a camera. Let's fly. Let's fly so he catches us, you know? There's one seagull. You know? When we went to South Street Seaport, right guys, in Manhattan, like where I work at, normally the seagulls outnumber the people, right? And there's a mass of people. I don't know that day when we went, it was this past Wednesday. And it was around lunchtime, so there wasn't like a lot of people for some unknown reason. And there was zero, I'm talking zero, probably even negative, a negative number of seagulls. So I don't know what happened to that area with the seagulls. You know, we could chalk it up, you know, we know why there's not like a mass of people, right? We all know why. So that's right on the channel, South Street Seaport. Yeah. Some guys are playing with their dogs in the baseball field. So there's some benches. I like those houses that had the docks. And they parked their little boat right behind the house. That's so cool, man. Yeah, so my plan is to move to Florida around about 5 years from now. And the area I'm thinking of is West Palm Beach. Because my sister lives in that area, guys. And it's pretty cool, man. In her area, she doesn't get the hurricanes. They don't touch down, but she gets heavy rain and wind. But it's not hurricane level, you know? So we're walking on the street side of the park, and it's blacktop. Yeah, I think so. Yeah, the park is picking up more. It's probably about double or even triple of the people that we started with. Yeah, some kids are at the basketball courts. A lot more people are walking. Yeah. Let me see if I can. Let me pull back a little, guys, so you can see the full sign here. Yeah, so we came full circle. We did a 360 of the park. A lot more people are walking. So that's cool. So guys, thank you for joining me. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment. And hit that post notification bell. Alright guys, take it easy.